Ready to explore and reveal? Dive into today's question and uncover the answers together.
The 100% bonus in Ragnarok Online refers to an event or a feature that offers players double experience for a limited time. This can greatly accelerate character leveling and skill development. It's a significant boost that usually gets activated during special events, festivals, or promotions by the game's developers. To fully leverage this bonus, players often utilize it to grind in high-experience yield areas or complete quests that give substantial experience points. Keeping an eye on official announcements or the game's event calendar is essential to be informed about when these bonuses are active.
Your daily dose of discovery ends here, but the journey of learning never stops. Subscribe and join us again for more answers tomorrow.